Before you move on, hear me out. There's a link in the description to something that's genuinely worth your attention. This product is getting noticed because it actually delivers on its promises. Smooth performance, dependable design, and incredibly simple operation. I tested it myself, and honestly, it exceeded every expectation I had. If you value quality, ease of use, and something that truly makes life simpler, this is a smart choice. Check the link below and take a closer look. You won't regret it. Wait, don't scroll. Trust me, there's a reason I'm telling you to hit the link in the description. This product has been getting massive attention because it's genuinely impressive. The performance is smooth, the design is strong, and the ease of use makes it perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. What blew me away was how... Before you move on, hear me out. There's a link in the description to something that's